Welcome, fellow coil winders. Here's my setup. I've got a stepper motor on an X platform with inserts so I can mount bobbins easily, at least with two hands. It just presses on. I've got a vertical shaft here that holds the two pulleys that the wire runs through. I've got a magnetic tensioner to keep more or less constant tension on the wire as it comes through the pulleys and onto the bobbin. I've got a open builds C platform with the stepper motor mounted on it to run the bobbin that actually moves in the X direction instead of the normal way of actually moving the wire left and right. I think this is an easier way to control the wire. That's controlled by a Raspberry Pi 3B currently for development of the code. That's running some stepper online motor drivers, one each for each stepper motor, and then a 48 volt power supply to run the stepper motors. Here you can see the first couple winds have been made on the bobbin already, not as far over to the left as they should be, but I'm just trying to check the code and the math. This is for a linear wind. I'm trying to do that in addition to the other style I'm doing, which is basically laying everything down in a parallel path and then moving on one of the ends. This seems to be about equally difficult on a rectangular bobbin compared to the other method. It's also due to the on this first layer the roughness of the ABS, which this bobbin is printed out of. I've ordered some resin or tough resin bobbins that should be quite a bit smoother, and we'll see if that makes a fairly significant difference. But as far as the width, it's 9 millimeters wide, and this is 28 gauge wire, so that's 0.35 millimeters. So any small bump or indent is going to cause this to be thrown off a little bit. This is just 3 layers of 25 winds each. Here's the finished result. And here's the new bobbin design. It has a little bit of curvature into the bobbin from the outside so that the layers should line down a little bit closer to the edge on the first layer and make it much easier to wind. Till my next deck date, probably after Christmas. Take care. Bye.